What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. This beautiful day, beautiful outside, man. Feel good outside. Always be glad to get up, man. You got to be glad to wake up, open your eyes, man. I'm telling y'all, first thing I say when I wake up is thank you. No lie, been doing it forever, for a long time. So yeah, this what we got planned today. We got a lot going on, a lot. So you're gonna want to tune in the whole vlog. We got a lot going on. So I got to run to the bank because we got to get some cheese out. For what? Stay tuned in to the end. If you don't tune in to the end, you ain't gonna know, cause it ain't the thumbnail, it ain't on the thumbnail, none of that. So you don't stay tuned in to the end, you're gonna miss out. We got to go to the bank. Y'all know when we go to the bank, y'all know what time it is. So we got to go to the bank. Then we got to stop and get some racing gas. And we got to go drop Big Dolo off today. The lawless street car, so we can get the fuel system done. When I get it back, I'm gonna be boom. That's how we're gonna do. Hey, we're gonna be ready, and then we're gonna make some power hitting the dyno and all that. Boom, boom, boom. Everything gonna roll fast. So let me quit talking and hop in the car and hit the road. All right, y'all. So back. We back, man. Y'all see I got Big Dolo uncovered. Gonna try to get this thing over here to Lawless. Let me see. We need to be leaving about 20 minutes. All right, no, Cardinal. Hey. But anyway, I couldn't get their gas cause when I got there, man, they was on lunch break. I could not wait cause I'm on time schedule. And we done went to the bank. We got this. Let me show y'all what we got out. Now, stay tuned in to the end, all I can tell you. Show y'all what we got out. Y'all know by now, this is for business purpose. So we went to the bank to make a withdrawal, and this is what we got out right here. So we got boom, boom, boom. So y'all stay tuned. Hundreds, y'all see them straps. So y'all stay tuned. That gas, I didn't get it. I been had it. It's 116 octane. I'm taking that with me because Jesse gonna need it for the fuel cell. I got everything else. All this got to go in the trunk of the Big Dolo. Nitro pills, cause we going 250. Maxing the plate out. Return line, main fuel line, spark plugs. Yeah, spark plugs in there. Fittings, straps, fuel cell. Whatever I don't need, I take it back. Then I go tomorrow and catch them before they go to lunch, and I'm gonna buy 15 gallons of 112. I'm probably gonna buy 20 gallons of 112, so I keep an extra. I'm gonna put 15 in Dolo. So yeah. Nah, I might put 10 in Dolo. I don't know. I might put out 90. Nah, I don't know. I'm gonna go into the dyno, so I'm gonna fill it up. I want Dolo on pure racing gas when I go to the dyno, not pump gas. I go back another day, get a pump gas number. I'm gonna show y'all the difference too. But let me pull Dolo out. Alright, y'all, man, listen. Who needs a radio when you can listen to this all day? Well, listen to this all day long, man. We in traffic, look. Traffic now, running cool. Headed to Lawless. Said, man, I'm trying to run this thing out of gas, man. I think I'm about there. I started pull a little bit in there. Trying to run this tank dry, man, so he won't have to pump that much out. I'm keeping my gas now. But I'm gonna let y'all when I get to Lawless. Alright, y'all, we're checking in. We made it over here. The Lawless. Big Dolo dropped off, man. We got gas in there. Everything they need. So look, we ready to go. So the vlog ain't over now. I told y'all I had to go to the bank. I had to go to the bank for a reason. So just stay tuned in. All I can tell you is to stay tuned in. So, but Big Dolo over here at Lawless, man, they're gonna get it knocked out. Nitrous, gonna have 250 on it when it come back. It's gonna be the wheels, the slicks, the radials I meant cleared. It's gonna be ready to go to the track and dyno again, man, when we get it back. So the whole 9, man, I'm gonna get a little more thing, a few more things done too that I ain't gonna talk about. But anyway, y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all, we checking back in. So we back from Lawless, man. Had a package. I already know what this is. These the lug nut, cause they supposed to come today. The lug nuts for John Jones. Let me lighten this up, cause y'all dark. Cause y'all know I was missing some, so I got a whole new set now. That's why I drove it yesterday to the car meet, and I ain't do nothing crazy. Just drove it. Cause I was missing one on every wheel, which I done rode like that before. Wheel ain't gonna pop off. The dry rhythm. So yeah, we got these. Some more spline drive. Then the car meet, I'm gonna have a 2-part video coming on it too. Here they go. I'm trying to multitask, man. I'm trying to record and open these things. But anyway, y'all see them, man. They the spline drive. So I'm finna go out here and add one on each wheel, then put the extras in the glove box. So then we back good with Camaro. Got them off eBay. Y'all stay tuned. Alright, y'all. So just getting back from the track. Been had a lot going on today. But I told y'all, man, I went to the bank for a reason. So now I'm finna go show y'all what I went to the bank for. So y'all just stay tuned in. Alright, y'all see what's going on, man. Yes indeed. Y'all see it? Yeah, we been making some moves. Y'all see what's going on. Brand new 26s. Well, not brand new, but they 26s. They new for Dolo. Y'all see it? So we got the 6s, and we got the boom matching steering wheel to go along to. DUB Dub. I always did like Dub. And these look like Dub Days. I always love Dub Days. One of my favorite wheels. I actually like them wheels. But y'all see them, man. They staggered direct bolt. This what's going on. Big Dolo. I'm gonna get the floating center caps, man. I'm gonna get them coming. Got to have the floating center cap. So yeah, man. Big Dolo got some new feet. So now we can carry on with our plan like we planned on doing. Like I said, man, I was looking for some budget wheels, but ain't nobody got no budget wheels. So it's like, well, might as well get right. We might as well get right. And we put Big Dolo in the game. So then we got some staggered wheels. We got staggered wheels, man. Y'all see it? Boom. Front rim, back rim. So yeah, man, I'm gonna take these 2 back rims over to Lawless probably tomorrow. Get just to try them on, man. And all of that. I think the back space should be right. They got a 5-inch lip. So it should be 5 this way. So yeah, man, I'm telling you, we finna be in there. Big Dolo, boy, them things gonna be clean. They gonna be clean on Big Dolo, man. It needs some paint on it. But we got them because y'all know originally I built that car to race on wheels. That was the whole purpose. To race on wheels. That was the car. To be like I said, I ain't going to be no big dog. Cause I still got true street car. Y'all seen it. I got true street car, man. Driving anywhere. I'm gonna have the AC on that thing. When I get it back, I'm gonna go ahead and get the lines made, and we're gonna charge the AC. We're gonna have AC. I told y'all, horsepower and snowballs. That's what we doing. I told everybody. I said I'm going in this year, 2021. I'm going in, man. We done did 3, boom, and wife car getting painted. Then we finna do big meets again. I'm going in this year. I'm making up for last year. Like I said, we had a rough year, Brown Coat Gang. Brown Coat Gang, we had a rough year last year. We had people doing this. They were laughing. They were talking. They ain't talking no more. They can't say nothing. They can't say nothing because it's too much pressure being applied. You can't say nothing when pressure being applied. So we coming with it. Big Dolo got the feet. Wifey car about to have some feet. Y'all stay tuned for that. Rhythm and Blues gonna have some feet. Stay tuned for that. Shop coming. Pressure being applied 2021. It's real major boss moves being made, man. I told people. I told people. I told them. I told them. I told them. I told them. Told them stay tuned. Told these people, look at that. They don't put me in the dark. Let me trick the sensor. Like, boom. There we go. I told people stay tuned though, man. I don't know. Let me tell wife to cut the light on. The raw light. I don't know why I ain't tell wife to cut the light on. Look at that. Now we in here. Now y'all can see them. Yeah, hell. There we go. Now y'all can see what's going on. These things here is beautiful. And that one thing, look at that, I'm knocking wife back over on sight. That one thing about me, even when buying any rim, I'm not gonna buy something if I really don't like design. People be buying name brand wheels just cause a name brand wheel and they don't even like it. Trust me, I know some people that done it before. They'll buy the wheel just cause of the name, don't even really like it, or it don't even fit their car. Just to say they got a brush wheel, 3-piece or 3-piece or 2-piece wheel. I ain't doing it. I actually like these. They look like the Dub days. I like wheels like this. Y'all see by now my choice of wheels. I like spoke style wheels. These are spokes. And yeah, that's it, man. They're clean, man. They're clean, man. Now y'all can see the steering wheel real good. So the only thing I'm gonna go order the floating center cap. Now I might go ahead and do it now. I got to have the floating center cap. So we're gonna get that. Would have been had wifey wheel coming, but she just don't know what kind of design she wants. So I gotta keep putting the pressure on her so we can get them on the way. So yeah, man, that was the thing. If you stay tuned in to the end of the vlog, then you already know what's going on. Cause I wasn't going. Y'all see, I didn't use that for my thumbnail. I wasn't playing. I want to see who make it to the end and who know what's going on. So we're gonna see who watches to the end. So now we're gonna be waiting to put them on, man. Now y'all just gonna have to wait to put them on, man. I don't know when I'm put them on, but y'all just stay tuned. When I put them on, y'all know it's gonna be a big video. And y'all know we're gonna turn up on. Big Dolo makes so much power, it's still gonna blister these too. So now I'm gonna go ahead and look up a progressive nitrous controller. Cause for me to race on these with nitrous, I got to have that progressive controller. I ain't gonna go cheap, man. I'm probably gonna buy a $1,000 controller. I've been looking at that nitrous outlet controller. I like it cause it got the big touchscreen display. I like it cause of that. I know a lot of people run the Edelbrock. The Edelbrock a good nitrous controller, and a lot of people run the NOS Mini. I had one of them before. I was gonna put on a cheapskate. I never used it. I sold it. But them like the top one people use. But I'm gonna get that. I'm probably gonna get that nitrous outlet P1 controller. I don't need the P2. I really don't need the P1. I just like it cause the touchscreen, man. You can. It's simple, like simple to read. So you really paying for the touchscreen. So I might run with that. Probably gonna run with that, man. I'm finna go ahead and go to Summit and go to boom, 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 boom. Then we're gonna go look up them floating center caps for the DUB, man. You got to have the floating center cap, man. That's the only thing I'm missing. Yeah, see, look, we ain't doing that right now. So I got to get the floating center caps. I'm going to order them, whatever they cost. Like I said, get the I'm gonna take the steering wheel down now. Gonna let Jesse put it on while it's down now. Then when it come back, man, we're going back to the track, slicks and radials and front runners. We're gonna run it like that first out the back door, and then we're gonna be on wheels, man. And Big Dolo won't be on it won't see radials for a long time. I'm gonna say that it won't see radials for a long time. It's gonna be on 26s, cause that's the whole purpose of the car. That's why it was built originally. Y'all know that was gonna be my big rim car, big meats, just gonna be a hog, like just get down. Y'all know John Jones never see rims. It just for doing what it do. And the Cutlass, y'all know, gonna see rims. And wifey car gonna be super clean, cause she ain't got all that pressure on the hood. She got a good running motor. Y'all know it's a new engine, crate engine, so she just gonna be so spick and span clean. So the cars we got that's slow, what they make up for speed, they gonna make up for it with appearance. So that's the whole thing. So yeah, man, we in there. I'm gonna give y'all one last look, man. That's how Big Dolo coming, staggered. So I appreciate everybody that really rocking with the brown coat game and all that. Like I said, I got a part 2 of the I got a part 2 of the car meet video called It Was Hella Cars that y'all haven't seen. I'm putting together a nice part 2. It's gonna be mostly B-roll footage and all of that. It probably be dropping tomorrow. Wifey got some new stuff dropping on her channel, I think, this week. It's just going down. So look, y'all stay tuned with me. I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. I'm out.